Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, happy everything. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Melodysusie manicure gift box. So I'm super excited. It definitely has some weight to it. So again, this is the Melodysusie manicure gift box, and it is a limited edition, so you definitely do not want to miss out. So this is what the box looks like. You do just literally slip this right off, and you just have the Melodysusie and bring your beauty salon home. Nice little picture right here, and we can just pop it right open. Let's see. So this is what we have once we open the box. So we just have the Melodysusie gift box, bring your beauty salon home again. We have a little baggie, which most likely it's like a little storage bag. You guys know that pink is my absolute favorite color. You guys probably get tired of me saying that, but y'all, like, it's just such a beautiful color. And then it has their Melodysusie logo on there as well. Super cute. It's giving luxury, y'all. So oh y'all, we got so many good stuff. So let's see, I'm just gonna literally grab something. So the first thing that we have are some little, these are cute. So they're like some little different colored caviar beads. I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up. Yeah, so we have like an iridescent purple, orange, blue, pink, and green. Super cute. So this is literally like a all-in-one type kit. So it comes with, I see we have the drill, we have the nail art. Oh, these haven't definitely been super trendy. So we have like the little spaceship, not spaceship y'all, but the little I don't even know what you would call these, but I know these have been super popular lately. So it's great that they added these in here. Next we have, oh, some more bling. Y'all, like, they literally outdid themselves with this box. Like, these are so cute. So we have the white iridescent bling, and you get a lot of them. And then we have the AB rhinestones, and it's just a whole bunch of different shapes. I see some stars, some hearts, some teardrops, some other teardrops, like literally some hearts. I think I already said that, but literally comes with all different types of shapes. Y'all, this is so exciting. Like, it's literally a lot in here. Now we have, what is this? It looks like it's like some little gold pieces. So okay, so it is some little gold pieces, and then we have some iridescent stones in there as well. Like, this is literally giving like mermaid vibes. Oh yeah, it actually comes with like a little starfish, and then it even comes with like a little palm tree. That's so cute. So I definitely would do like a ocean vibe with these. Up next we have some more of those little gold stones, and then it also comes with, oh, that is so cute, it comes with some brown stones in there as well, and then more of those iridescent stones as well. Y'all, like, so far, like, this is a good little box. It's almost like a, I mean, of course you know what you're getting when you buy it, but to me it's like a little mystery box. Ooh, so up next we have 180 sending bands, and it's 100 of them, and y'all, they're pink. Again, pink is my favorite color, so anytime I find anything that's pink, y'all, I have to have it. So we have the 100 piece sending bands. Ooh, so we also have, like, literally it looks like the only thing this kit does not come with is acrylic, but other than that, like, it comes with all of your nail art and your essentials as far as your tip cutters. So we have a really pretty pink, this is a really pretty pink. So we have a pink tip cutter, looks like this, and then we have a set of your nippers and your cuticle pushers, and these are like that rainbow, would this be considered rainbow, like a rainbow effect kind of, I think, I don't know, let me know in the comments what would this color be considered, like a is it chameleon? I don't know, y'all, but it's like the, you know, different shades of colors. So we have again the nippers and then the cuticle pusher set, and then we have, oh, these are some gloves. I know a lot of people are really iffy about putting their hands into the UV LED light, and so you get some gloves so that way whenever you put your hands into the light, your hands aren't exposed to all of that, the like UV rays. So we have a pair of gloves, and then we also have a set of drill bits, which you can never have too many. And it looks like we have the little brush, we have some cuticle drill bits, and then we also have a tapered one, we have what looks to be like a fine one, and a medium coarse drill bit, and these are the ceramic ones. This is what they look like. And then we have, ooh, so we have two, I believe they're probably the same grid, but they look like maybe 180 or 100 nail files, or grit nail files, but we have about 10 of those. And of course they have the Melodysusie logo on there. And then I left the best for last. So now we have the M series rechargeable nail drill. Now I don't know about y'all, but ever since they started coming out with like the rechargeable nail files, or sorry, not nail files, but nail drills, and like the UV lights, y'all, like I have to have them. They're definitely life changers. I know, especially like whenever I'm doing toes, if it's rechargeable, I literally can just hold it over the top of my clients, you know, feet. Or same thing with the e-file, it's like you could take it with you wherever. So definitely come in handy. So y'all, I'm excited to open because I literally do not know what color I'm getting. Like I said, they do have 3 different options, which would be the white, the black, or the green. So y'all, like I'm excited to see which one I get. Which one do y'all think I'm gonna get? Maybe I'm thinking, maybe like literally y'all can't see, maybe white. I'm thinking, let's see. Oh, it is white. So this, oh, this is so pretty. Y'all look at how pretty this is. Yes, I'm loving the aesthetics. So it's white, and then it has the pink on the top. It comes with the clip. Alrighty, so to test it out, I'm just going to be putting one of these drill pieces in here, or drill bits in here. I'm just going to choose one. Of course, you want to make sure that it's unlocked. And then you just insert your drill bit, lock it back up, and then, let's see, I think I actually have, let's see. Oh, I have this little nail that I can remove the acrylic from if it will stay on there. So I'm going to put it on about 15,000 RPMs, and we're going to see how it removes it. So this drill bit, I most likely would probably use it for what I'm doing right here, which is removing the gel polish. So I'm just going, of course, around the cuticle area, working my way around to these sides and just removing all of that gel polish. Alrighty, so that definitely got all of the gel polish off the nail. I really like this drill bit, y'all. Like, it didn't file too much, and then it got all of the gel polish off for sure. And I just used this little drill bit, which came in this little case. And so it definitely doesn't have like really strong, like it doesn't vibrate. As far as the noise, like I know with these it's always louder because the nail kind of vibrates just because it's on, you know, it's loose on here. But other than that, like while it's on, it's not loud at all. Right now it's on 12,000. I'm going up even all the way up to 35,000. So that's the fastest it'll go. And it's still not loud at all. It's not vibrating like crazy or anything. So definitely a good thing. And again, like, it's not heavy in your hand. It actually feels comfortable for when you're using it. So I would definitely say that this, of course, would be good for anybody, whether you're a beginner, whether you're a professional. I definitely feel like this would work really good for you. I know, as far as like, I know a lot of the time I get the question like, how do I know what drill to get? And honestly, y'all, like, a lot of the drills, as far as the way they work, are the same. The only difference a lot of the time is, you know, the RPMs. You definitely want something that's strong enough to where you're not going to be sitting there filing nails all day. So I definitely would recommend about a 30 or 35,000 RPMs. And then other than that, the only difference is just the style. Do you want a rechargeable one? Do you want one that's, you know, that you actually have to plug in? Do you want one that sits up on your table? Do you want one that you can clip onto your pants or your belt loop? Do you want one that, you know, like, literally, y'all, there's so many different type of e-files. So it really just comes down to a personal preference. But I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this up really quickly, and then I'm gonna show you guys again everything that this box came with. Now, of course, because of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, they are gonna be on sale, and I'll be sure to leave all of that information down below. But y'all, like, we really did get a lot of good stuff. Like, this is literally like a little treasure box. Like, it comes with everything that anybody would want, really, like the nail art, the drill bits, the sanding bends, even like all of these sanding bends, y'all. Like, I'm really surprised that it came with these many, because usually, like, whenever you buy an e-file, like, it would just come with a box like this, which it would just come with like your basic little drill bits, which literally it'll come with like 5 or 6 little sanding bends, and that's it. And so the fact that that comes with, or that this kit comes with 100 of them, is absolutely amazing. And then not even just that, but it also even comes with all of these drill bits. So definitely a great deal. And then you also get all of your nail art essentials. You get your hand files. You get the other drill bits, y'all. Like, it literally comes with so much. Like, everything is getting lost in my table, but y'all, and then this bag, like, literally super cute. I'm just gonna put this right in here. And like, right now I'm not doing nails full time, and so like sometimes I do take on a client or two, and so I'm traveling back and forth from home in the shop and then from my new building. And so usually I just throw my e-file into like whatever bag or box I'm packing with nail stuff. And so this definitely comes in super handy, because it makes sure that my e-file doesn't get scratched up during, you know, transportation or whatever. And so definitely comes in handy. So again, if you're looking for something to tell your family that you want for Christmas, this definitely, y'all, you can't beat this. Super pretty. It comes with so much, and they are having their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. So make sure you let your boyfriend know, or your mom know, your dad know, your friend know that they need to hop on this sale, y'all. So again, that is Melodysusie. I'll be sure to leave all of the information down below. Definitely cannot beat this deal. So make sure you click the link down below so you can check it out. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all, and I almost forgot, but I also received the Melodysusie 2-in-1 UV LED nail art lamp. And this is the one that a lot of people have been raving about, just because I know a lot of people have been doing nail art to where it requires for you to basically not put your whole hand into the light. And so right here we have, oh y'all, this feels like super duper like heavy duty. And so this is, like I said, the Melodysusie 2-in-1 nail art UV lamp. And y'all, like, it literally matches my my drill And with this one, of course, you just set it on your table, and when you're ready to use it, like your client will literally just put their finger under the light. It does have, of course, your on button. So the reason why it's 2-in-1 is because it's literally an LED light, and then it's also like your UV light. And so if you click the button at the top, it will change from your LED to your UV. So if you can't see while you're working, you turn your LED light on, and if you need to cure a nail, you tap it on top and it'll turn into a UV light. Super handy. It's definitely, it feels heavy duty. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Definitely, I love the design. I love how flexible this is. Like I said, it doesn't feel cheap at all, like super heavy duty. It does come with, of course, your charger. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm gonna do just one nail just to show you guys how it works. So right now I have it on with my LED light. As you guys can see, it shows up just like a regular light. I'm gonna go in with a gel polish, and we're gonna go ahead and just polish this nail just all green. That's literally the first color that I picked up. And again, for this one, I feel like this one would be used for designs where like you're not putting the, like you need to just flash cure it really quick, and then that way, you know, you don't have to put all of the nails in. Or if in situations where I'm doing like my big 3D stones, and if my client puts it under the light, they move, and so a lot of the time I need something to where I can like hold the stones and flash cure it, and this definitely would be perfect. So all I have to do is just tap the button, and it's gonna turn into an UV light. And then also want to show you guys how flexible it is. If you need to move it to the side, move it to, hold on, I keep pressing it, move it to the other side, whichever way you need it to go, whether you want it to come up, you want it to come down some, like it's so flexible. And again, you literally just press the button to switch it from your UV and LED light, and then right here you have your on and off button, and at the back of it you have your plug-in for your charger. So I've cured it for about a few seconds, and literally it is completely dry. Like I said, I mean, even if you just want to use this, you know, maybe you polish one finger and then you have to do a really detailed, you know, design on the other, you can just get this down, turn it on, and well, turn it on and just cure that finger instead of having to put the whole hand in the UV light. Because I don't know about y'all, but some of my clients, y'all, like I had the hardest time with them bumping their nail or moving it or taking it out too early. And I feel like this way it's like, you know, as I'm working, they literally could just, you know, I could just switch it to where it would turn to a UV lamp and let their nails cure while I'm holding it. That way they don't mess it up. So definitely comes in super handy. So this one is also available, of course, on our website. So I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out. And finally, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.